Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in and pairing. This links the app to your car hardware so data flows. Once signed in, enable Bluetooth and pair the listed OBD2 dongle ID. Pairing ensures the app reads live sensors. Make sure to grant location and storage permissions so the app can map drives and save logs. If prompted, accept firmware update notices. These keep readings accurate and prevent connection errors while you start the diagnostic session. Once connected, run a full diagnostic scan to collect engine, transmission, battery, and emissions data. This produces the baseline report you'll act on. If the app prompts for firmware updates, apply them to keep sensor calibration accurate. Next, configure alert thresholds. Set temp, RPM, and battery percent limits so you get notified before damage occurs. Customize dashboards by adding gauges and selecting graph timespans. This helps you spot trends quickly and enables live logging for later review. Finish by saving the session. Export PDF or CSV and tag it with date and VIN for records. Once saved, schedule maintenance reminders and enable recurring automated checks or remote sharing with a mechanic. This turns one session into ongoing care. If the app fails to read data, restart the app, clear cache, and confirm permissions and Bluetooth are active. Also verify the dongle has power and is properly seated in the OBD2.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.